Dear student, welcome to this video. In this video, I will teach you how to install MinGW compiler in our system. As I am on Windows operating system, MinGW is the Windows version of GCC compiler. Now let's see how to install it. Let's open the browser. Type MinGW and click enter key on the keyboard. Now we can see the list of links for MinGW compiler. We need to select the first one. The official website for MinGW compiler is mingw.org. So click on this link. And this is the official website. And here we need to click on downloads. Before downloading it, I would like to show you one thing. We will go to command prompt, CMD for going to command prompt, and we will check whether GCC compiler is installed in our system or not. For that, we need to type the command GCC. Click on enter. Now we can see here we are getting the error. GCC is not recognized as an internal or external command. So if you get this error, it means that particular software is not installed yet. Okay, let's close this command prompt and come back here. Click downloads. Let's go down and we can see here there is a setup file for Windows. Now click here to download. We can see here the download is completed. Right click on the downloaded file. Click on show in folder. Now we need to start installation. This is the setup file. Now double click on this. Now we need to follow the step-by-step process which is guiding us. Now we need to click on install. We can see here the compiler is installing in C drive with the name MinGW. Usually all the softwares we will download in C drive. So no need to change this path. Now click on continue. Once this step is done, we can see here continue button is highlighted. So click on continue. We can see here MinGW installation manager. Actually, MinGW compiler provides 4 compilers, that is C, C++, ADA and Fortran compilers. For now, we will install C compiler and C++ compiler. For that, we need to click on this one and click mark for installation. MinGW 32 base bin is the C compiler, and this one MinGW 32 GCC G++ bin is the C++ compiler. This one also click here and click for mark installation. The rest of the compilers like ADA we are not installing for now. Once this is done, we should go to this installation menu and click apply changes. When we click apply changes, then it will install both C compilers and C++ compilers. Let's click on apply changes and wait up to the installation is done. Here it is asking us OK to proceed. Yes. Now you click on apply. Now the installation is done. We need to click on close. Now let's go and check in C drive whether the software is installed or not. Let's go to C drive. We can see here MinGW. The software is installed. Now let's click on bin folder. We can see here two files, GCC and G++ compilers. GCC for C compiler and G++ for C++. Now let's go to the command prompt, cmd, and type GCC. We can see here I installed GCC compiler, but still it is saying that it is not recognized as an internal or external command. This is because once we installed any software, we should inform the path of the software through the environment variables so that we can work with the software from anywhere in our system. Because we usually install the softwares in C drive, but we need to use those softwares anywhere from our system, because I may store my files at which location I want, maybe in D drive or C drive or E drive. Okay, now let's set the path through the environment variables. Go to C drive, MinGW, bin. Now click here and right click and click copy. Now we can see here our PC with the name this PC. Right click on this, click on properties, click on advanced system settings. We need to click on environment variables. This is the place where we need to set the path. And here we can see two variables here, user variables and system variable. Mostly it is better to set the path in the system variable. It means if we set in the user variable, we can use only for this user. If you want to use this software for all the users of our system, we should set in the system variable. So now I am setting the path in the system variable. We can see the variable name here, path. Now click on this. Now click on edit. Now click on new. Now let's paste the path we copied for the compiler. Now click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. And let's close this dialog. Now let's go to the command prompt and check. cmd, type GCC. Now we can see here we did not get the error like previous. Previously it gives the error like GCC is not recognized as an internal or external command. But after we set the path, it recognized GCC, but it is saying that no input file. It means we didn't give the file name to execute to this GCC compiler. This one we already learned in the compilation and execution process of C program. So this is how we will install GCC compiler for Windows operating system, which is MinGW, and setting up the path in the environment variables. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on like button. Please also subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon so that whenever I posted the video, you will get notification. Please do comment and share our video. I will see you in the next video.